Hi everybody, welcome to Healthy Habits. Today we are going to be making sandwich wraps. Sandwich wraps are a great way to eat on the go. They're easy to make and are a healthy balanced meal that provides a great source of vitamin A and iron. For our dish we'll need whole wheat tortillas, a spread of our choice, 1 ounce of meat, 1/4 of a cup of fresh vegetables, and 1 slice of cheese. Now let's get started. First we'll start by prepping the tortillas. We're going to start by coating one side of the tortilla with your choice of spread. You can use anything from mayonnaise, sour cream, or even your favorite salad dressing. Next we're going to add our meat onto our tortilla. Remember, you can use any kind of meat you like. Now let's toss our vegetables into the mix. Finally, let's add our cheese. Now that we have everything ready, let's roll everything up into our tortilla. Once you have all the ingredients tucked in, you can use a toothpick to hold everything together, or you can just dig right in. The wrap makes for a great, quick, and healthy meal that is fun and easy to make. We hope you enjoy it!